Hello everyone. So here I have what is called a Tesla coil. So what we do is that we connect this to our normal mains, and inside this there's a transformer, a step up transformer, and let's say that we have like 115 volts in our main. This will transform that voltage to a very high voltage like 20 to 50,000 volts. So this is called a Tesla coil, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use this Tesla coil to show you breakdown of a gas and the resulting plasma, or what we call a charge discharge of electric charge. So first I'm going to shut off the lights, so then you will see this effect much more clearly. So now I'm going to connect the Tesla coil to our power mains, and then first let's look at the fluorescent bulb. I'm going to start the Tesla coil. Yeah, it's going to create a high voltage. Now you can see what's going to happen here is that, look, there's going to be a breakdown of the gas air, and you can see sparks coming out, and as a result the mercury gas inside the tube is gonna fluorescent. Okay, so you can see the sparks. It's there. Now I'm going to use this filament bulb. Inside the filament bulb there's a low pressure inert gas, and I'm again going to use the Tesla coil so that I'm going to use a high voltage to charge the gas inside the bulb. Because of this high voltage, what you'll see is that the gas will be is going to ionize, and it's going to create a plasma. Again, I will switch off the lights so that you will see this effect very clearly. So I'm going to switch on the Tesla coil. So you can see that's the plasma. So you will see the gas inside the filament bulb is breaking down because of this high voltage, and what you're seeing there is basically plasma. So those are like, we call them charge fibrils. It's basically lightning at a very small scale, controlled lightning in a way. Okay. So those streaks are due to breakdown of the gas inside the bulb due to the application of high voltage, and basically what you're seeing is a plasma discharge. Okay, I hope you learned something interesting. Thank you.